Make a great choice today with the 2017 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, navigation system, backup camera, dual airbags, air conditioning, Bluetooth, one owner, alloy wheels, power steering. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.